These are the craziest animal encounters.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This bear thought that this guy was a little too close.
Quiet! 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 Quiet!
The English band covered, didn't they? That's where it comes from.
This family had their dogs out when a bear came into their backyard. These guys were on a motorcycle when a tiger started chasing after them. This elephant was not afraid of this safari truck. So I guess deer have had enough and are starting to fight back.
Ikke overraskende mer og mer utsatt på sosiale kretser, og hun mistet
This elephant wasn't happy that they were being recorded.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Here's what a pregnant great white shark looks like. This person got a little too close to the ape enclosure at the zoo. Eventually the ape did let go and the guy was totally fine. This deer broke into a restaurant, but luckily nobody was hurt. These photographers realized that they were a little too close to a bear.
Oh yeah.
You go.
He went to go save his dog that was being attacked by a kangaroo.
You big freak. Let it go, Tonks. Let's go. The other dog's coming.
This gorilla did not like how this girl was beating on her chest.
Oh, man! Whoa!
A sea lion slapped this kayaker with an octopus.
Underwater?
It's always good to test the waters before jumping in.
No, stay. Stay firm, stay first.
my god. Josh. Oh my god.
This guy found a baby cougar and quickly found out that the mom was close by.
No! Go away! Go away! Please go away! No, go away! Go away! No! No! Yeah, so that just happened. Wow.
This man was brave enough to save his dog from a bear attack. A security guard heard a sound in the kitchen and went to go check it out.
Let go, mate.
Something tells me you're not supposed to do this.
I know. I know. Oh,
Don't get out.
what? No. No.
No.
What's happening?
Tiger shark! Tiger shark ran me.
This farmer was out doing work when a wild tiger came out of nowhere. Suddenly, the whale came up and caught this kayaker in their mouth and brought them underwater. The whale let go of the kayak a few seconds later, and the person was unharmed. This gorilla wasn't too happy to see these people. Raccoons are absolutely ruthless. This hippo chased down a boat and broke its motor. A giant squid was curious and started grabbing onto this person's surfboard. These fishermen had a close encounter with a bear.
Looking for a perfect snare. What's this? Oh my god, there's a bird.
Wow.
This paraglider was coming in for a landing and was instantly attacked by a gang of kangaroos.
What's up, Skip? Hey, back off! Back off! Go away!
He's just nice. He doesn't know.
Oh, it's okay. Come back.
They will. Look, he just has to... Yeah.
This person got a little too close to a whale and almost got slapped. He heard something outside his door but didn't know what it was. These fishermen in Alaska were on the docks when the unexpected happened.
He's coming up right here, dude.
This police officer tried to stop a crocodile with a towel. So, I guess you're supposed to hide your face and lie down when you encounter a wild gorilla.
Go down, sit down. Sit down, you are safe. Don't worry. Sit down, keep shooting.
Elephants in the wild are learning to surprise and ambush cars to look for food. A swarm of monkeys took over the streets of a city in Thailand.
Because he's hunting.
So stay. Sean, stay.
Look.
These tourists got a little too close to this buffalo.
Oh.
This guy had to pull over to watch these two lynxes yell at each other.
This is so freaking cool. Oh, Jesus.
I'm not sure, but I feel like this guy did the right thing in this situation.
There's a bear right here face to face with me.
What the? Whoa! I don't go. I don't go. I don't go.
These surfers realized there was a great white shark underneath them.
Oh, he's found it. She's here. Oh.
I can't tell if he's really smart or really dumb. Imagine you're paddleboarding and an orca starts checking you out. These doctors were taking care of this lion when the lion suddenly woke up from being sedated.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Emma. Yeah, shh.
This orca ripped the rudders off this boat so that it couldn't go anywhere.
We lost both rudders.
So this is pretty crazy. Millions of fish decided to throw themselves on the beaches of the Philippines. This hippo started chasing after this tour boat.
Holy.
These birds flew in and stole all the fish he was trying to catch.
Let's go. It's raining. forecast is raining birds, raining guns.
This crew chased after a whale for 3 hours because they saw that it had a rope wrapped around it. So they jumped in and managed to finally cut it off.
Cut it! Cut it! Oh! Did you get it? Yeah!
This seal was about to get eaten by orcas but found safety on the back of this boat. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.